Hi, this is Rebecca with Maid Central, and we're going to be going through the build highlights from April 8th, 2021. So be sure to pause the video for a second so you can read through the cleanup items listed down here, and we're going to talk through some of the new features here. So there's a new customer search that will allow you to jump to a customer link URL. You can pass any data that you would use on the normal customer search page. So new example of this is you would type in customer search and put in their phone number. This is going to allow for you, those of you that are using your voice over IP phone system so that it's connected to your computer, the computer you use Maid Central on. So if you're your sales and office staff members that are in the office answering phone calls, Zolties and Ring Central are a couple of examples of services that do have the capability of being able to pass this information to where it will actually pull the customer's account up if there's only that person's phone number that's coming in on the caller ID is listed in your system just one time. If the system only finds one customer match, it will redirect to the customer details page. Otherwise, it will show the search results page. So let's head over to Maid Central, and I'm going to go ahead and just put in customer slash search slash customer's phone number here. So let's go back to $89.89 and put their phone number in. And you're going to see what it's going to do is, as long as that customer's phone number is in my system once, it's going to pull up Miss Gina's account. So again, be sure to double check your voice over IP settings and how you can set that up to make it instantly pull up the Maid Central account using your caller ID information. Next up, we updated our 500 page with links to Intercom and to the status page. The status page is brand new. So again, we're going to show you how that works. Head back over here, and I'm just going to put in something that's going to throw an error and take me to a page that shows the 500 error. So you can see this new boxes here, and you can check out status site for an update, or you can report this problem to support. So we're going to demonstrate both of these. I'm going to click on this first one here. So click on the status, our new status page. So again, you can see here, this is showing you that everything's operational. It's got the past incidents. So if anything had happened with the system in the past few days since we've had this set up, there would be information listed. Nothing has happened, so all systems are operational. If you'd like to subscribe to updates, go ahead and click on this button, put your email address in, and subscribe via email. I already added my email address, so I have the email here just to show you what it looks like. So I received this confirm your subscription email. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm subscription. And it's going to say, great, your email is now subscribed to Maid Central. So that's just as easy as it is. Okay, so back to the other link that we were talking about is, let's go ahead and look at another error page. And so this is handy if there was ever a time that the system was down and you needed to find out, or you wanted to message us about the 500 error and let us know, you can go directly to Intercom and report this problem to support. So by clicking this link, it's going to take you directly to Intercom. And again, you can message us just like you normally do and send us a message using Intercom directly from that 500 page now. Also added in this week's build is a new opt-in by feature, email technician worksheets daily. It would be in PDFs, and the email we send nightly to your company main email. So let's take a look at where to find that and how to set that up. So if you're interested in getting a copy of your worksheets emailed every evening, you would opt in and enable this feature. So let's head back over to maidcentral.com, MC Cleaners, and go back to our account. I'm going to head over to reports, company general, and head over to my features. So you'll see the new feature listed here. Email job worksheets nightly. Every night at midnight, a PDF will be emailed to your company email. This PDF will include worksheets for all jobs scheduled for the upcoming day. So I check marked. I'm going to enable and save that feature. So to verify what you have set up for your company email address, so you know where that company email is going to go with the PDF worksheets, you want to just go right here next door to this tab logo, Marketing and UI, and you can see our company email is mail@maidcentral.com. So this is where our PDF files will go nightly. And finally, another new feature is the dispatch board. We added a link to copy scorecard URLs. So we're going to head back over to Maid Central and talk through this one. So under reports, you can find your dispatch board. And I've done a couple of things here to prepare for today's call. So I'm going to go back to the 6th, which was just a couple days ago. And I want to see who all filled out a scorecard. So I can update, show advanced filters. Obviously, these are going to be all my pending jobs that have not been closed out yet, since I haven't closed payroll for this week yet. So it still comes up under this status. One of the really cool things about having this feature on the dispatch board is a lot of different things. So I can see that 2 people already filled out their scorecard. So needing to copy their scorecard link and email it to them, I wouldn't have to do, because they already filled out their scorecard for the job that was completed on 4/6. So please remember, again, scorecards are associated with a specific job when the technicians checked out of that job. So if we wanted to follow up using this report and using this new link copy feature to actually text message customers to get their feedback, we can do that now. And the cool thing about it being on this report is you have your variance information here. So you can really deep dive and get a lot of information and why you would want to email particular customers. So you can see here that we spent a little less time. So we have a positive variance versus the allowed hours there. This job, we were there for the exact amount of time. And then we've got a job down here where we were there for overtime. So we spent extra time. And then we've got a job that we were really off on time. We were almost 2 hours off of the allowed hours. So I really want to find out how Wilma felt about her cleaning that day to make sure that she's satisfied, since our labor hours were way off. So this will help me, again, moving forward, if I want to do any rate adjustments, if I want to make any adjustments to my allowed labor hours, things of that nature. I can see all that from here, and then also reach out to them using this copy scorecard link to clipboards. So I'm going to go ahead and click on copy. One of the things I also did is under templates, I actually created a new template. So you can go to company templates, and you're looking for the customer type, customer general. So you can go to just customer general, and you can see that I've set up a text message for this new service. So general text to send the link to a specific job scorecard. So again, I can go head over to Wilma's account, go to actions, add note. I'm going to want to select text message, select template since I created template. Now all I need to do is paste that link, and I am going to send her this email or text message that I've formatted. Oops, sorry, I forgot to select the phone number. That's very important to have the cell phone number listed there so they can receive the text. So you can see that was saved successfully, and sent successfully. Okay, so a couple more cool things to show you since this feature is new. Head over to your main dashboard, and Wilma has actually replied and let us know, thank you for the reminder, I've completed the scorecard feedback, great cleaning. So she actually texted us back and clicked on the link to complete her scorecard. If we head back over to our dispatch board and update this for 4/6, you can see now it indicates that Wilma was thrilled with her cleaning and she provided us with her scorecard feedback. So those are the steps to take to use the new feature to copy scorecard link to clipboard. Don't forget you can find this under reports on your dispatch board. And those are all the new features added this week. Thank you.